come on, I'm starving.
Smells great. Must be tasty. Here you go.
Let's try. Ew, it's disgusting.
Disgusting?
Huh?
Okay. Here, give it yourself. Enjoy. Your cooking better be good.
Wait, I didn't mean Liza. Well, I did bring it upon myself. Man, what now? Oh, I guess it's a good way to start. Ouch! Uh-oh.
Having a hard time, aren't we?
Oh. Huh? Huh? Nice and tidy.
What's this? Oh.
Well. Okay, this one is not edible.
I knew it. Yes!
I just give it another try. I've got a good feeling about this. This one hurt. The more the better. It's gonna be so healthy. Almost done.
This can't be true. Well. Wow, it is delicious. But no one can know about this. I know just the thing to do. I'll teach him a lesson. Time for magic. It's gonna be the best soup in your life. This way. You won't get suspicious. Hop, this too. Why not? Just what I need. Huh? Uh-huh.
I'm sure it's good. No.
And now I'm in the game. Let's warm it up a little so it tastes better. Luckily we have my soup. No one's gonna skip lunch. Try it.
Okay. No. Wow, it's so delicious.
See? I'm a great cook. Shh.
I'll take this salad.
Sure. Good choice.
And this pie. I'll just leave it in the oven to reheat. And dinner's ready. Time for Instagram.
Sweetheart, I'm home.
Hubby's here. Gotta hurry. I'm here, busy with your meal. Oh, hi, honey.
Huh? Wow, yummy! Delicious!
Aw, thank you. I need something special today. It's gonna be the best dinner party. Wow, Liza, I envy your cooking skills.
Oh, my leg!
Wait, what? Oh no! What a challenge. There's no other way. I'm a bit confused. What am I supposed to do with all this? So let it be fried eggs. Nothing too difficult. Why is this so slimy? And the stench. Ew! I need some spices, right? Sugar is always a good idea. Jam, salt, sauce. I guess the fruit goes here. All done. And what now? I I see. Oh, it's sticky. Ouch! Oh no! Stop! Stop! It's a disaster.
Whoa, something new today?
Enjoy.
Okay.
Good? I'm so happy.
Oh my, I feel sick. Wait, there is more.
I have something. Oh, you liked it that much? Great!
Thanks. Ouch! Oh, whoa.
Ah, you found my ring. Thanks.
Oh, whatever.
And now, dessert.
Sorry, honey. Urgent call. Gotta go. Huh? I see. Come on. We have to hurry. Finally. Yummy.
Oh, that's exactly what I need.
There we go, a perfect birthday cake.
That's what I'll cook. It's gonna be a great present for the big day. First, a sponge cake, soft and fluffy. Now I need to make some whipped cream. Homemade whipped cream is the best.
Yummy! Good kitty.
Chocolate.
That looks like the cake I ate. Aha! Just as squishy.
Here it is.
Mom won't notice a thing. Cool. Wow, whipped cream. Yummy. I know. Toothpaste will save me. The more the better. Mom won't see the difference. Haha!
The ingredients are ready.
Another treat? Yes! What can I use instead? Aha! Perfect! I don't need that. Ta-da! That was smart.
Huh? What was that?
Yay! It's my
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Aw, my baby. Here, the first piece is for the birthday girl. What's wrong?
Huh?
Let me try a piece. Ew!
Ew. Oh.
I will never use your recipes again. It's time for a snack. What do I have here? Ah, my lucky day. Oh, pinky goodness. Oh, nom, nom, nom. Now I feel way better. I'm sure I won't have trouble with falling asleep now.
Ouch.
My ride's here. Okay, take me to the 4th floor.
too fat, too fat, too fat. The elevator is going to collapse.
I'm fat! What a nightmare. Phew, still just a nightmare. Oh no, I'm starving again. But what's that divine aroma? It smells like my Piro's cooking. Oh, let me see.
Almost done here.
I was right.
All your favorites. Ready?
No, I can't. I'm on a diet.
Whatever makes you happy. I'll just have some mouth-watering pancakes.
Never again will I open this evil box. No way. It's all this box's fault.
Whoa.
And a chain. Just to be on the safe side. Nothing will stop me from losing weight.
Liza, did you just...
I have an iron will.
Oh, Liza's doing yoga again.
Huh? Do I smell pizza? A walking pizza! I'll only buy the necessities. We need some whole wheat bread. It should be here. Oh?
Well, hello, mistress.
Shoot, shoot! Aha! You won't get to me. Ouch! Ha! Got what you deserved. I'm done here. Oh, Piro asked me to buy some meat. Uh-oh. Help! Help! Aha! Now I know! I need to deal with this myself. Ugh! Stop haunting me! I did a great job.
Oh. Your beauty is beyond compare.
Aw, how sweet.
Hey, pretty.
Huh?
Ouch.
I knew my diet would pay off.
Thanks for your help, guys. Here as agreed.
Thanks, bro.
I hope Liza will give up that stupid idea. She's cute as she is. Okay, let's check. Honey, I'm home. Oh, wow.
Hi, Piro. Dinner is ready. Hee. Never seen this store before. I have to check it out. Oh? What is that? Sounds so nice. Lovely! This place is so exciting! Wow! There are tons of books here. Ah! I've never been in a place like this before. Oh, wow! A pretty pink book. Take a maple wood stick. Okay, here it is. Abracadabra, cadabra! Is it even a working spell?
What's happening? Ouch! Too many stars.
I'll see what else they've got. Ah! A seal! I need this one. Yes! Uh-oh.
What a mess. Oh no.
Ouch! What happened here? Oops.
Here.
I'll take this.
You sure?
Yeah. Oh, and this.
Okay.
I'm following the recipe to a T. Now some more jelly powder. Great.
Wow, it's so bright in here. This world is fun.
Ah! What in the world? Oops. Oh, wait! You won't get away. Huh? I know. I'll teach you to make a fool out of me.
No, leave me alone.
Why isn't my plan working? Gotcha! Me again!
Oh no.
Here, take this. I want a refund.
No problem. Here.
You know, everything was okay until
Sweetheart. Whew. Peace and quiet. Huh?
Ah!